Yankai Mapan Suba Femina Miss India 2023 ge Grand Finale ki tamak Beauty Pageant asida Sharuk Yagadaba Constantant Shing Imphal Yourakkhre. LAMDAM ASIGI MEEYOK MICHAN ase PUKNING HUNINGAINI HAINA Constantant Shing na APENBA PHONGDORAKLI. North East hanbo oina pangthokpa Femina Miss India ki Grand Finale adu ki tabak tongan ba stage sing ki lakpa contestant kuntra adu ngasi ayuk pung 12 makhairom tawa duwaida Imphal ki Bir Candidate International Airport ta thunglakhe. Contestant sing adu Manipur ki miyamna airport ta taramna oknaba mangzongna na ngai tuna leinakhe. Police ke tongan ba team sing na pamdaba thodok sing thoktana ba akan ba Jackson thorang lokhe. Contestant sing atuna Bir Candidate International Airport ki arrival terminal dagi thoglakpada miyamna contestant sing da kajinglei uptuna taramna okhe. Loinada LAMDAM ASIGI nat ki pung amadi moibung na chingba khongduna okhe. Contestant sing atu ki marakta Manipuri ki beauty pageant atu da TOMTV yausabe thongnauzam strela luangbu miyamna taramna oktuna yaifa magbol pinakhe. Mayamna taramna okpatuda thongnauzam strela luang na hai ngasi LAMDAM ASIGI miyamna beauty pageant asida Sharuk Yagadaba singbu taramna opiba ase apenba poki. LAMDAM ASIGI inak khulaba nat amadi chatnabe sing arakpa singda utpagi tanjama fangba asi nungaiba ma oi. LAMDAM asi atopa singa changdamnabada karisu tabanate. Atopa contestant singa thengnabada aikhoina hanthaba karisu leite. Contest asada maro oina oribade isage taseng ba saktam adu utpani haida Australia na makhata ki.
Jenglai pula upa phangma se khoi imung manung na so yamna ngai jaba hai tar sigi moment se ado phangbo do sam nungai aduga akhoi ki team Miss India ki team moi pula black minai and I must say loina mak yamna phaba mi ngak to oibani na Manipur ge ba phajaba culture adagi akhoi ki tradition mayam se utpagi tanja do adu phangma se yam nungai and I kap tam thai kap to khare but we're looking forward to the finale aduga Manipur gi mi loina mak change haina dum hai badaina haidi not just me, not just the government, me loina mak change to welcome them, and I'm so happy that everyone came to welcome everyone, and the girls are very happy. I can see it in their faces. Aigi tung haurakli ba inaw sing ichal sing gidamakta di communication skill the work to bay, personality development the work to bay, aduga just being yourself hai badoma. Me mamang da chalaga ato pasakta mo utpan nataba isagi aseng masakta mo utpada adu yam important oi haina learn to and I think that's something we can work on.
Amaromda Imphal da ngasi thunglaki ba Odisha dagi contestant Janvi Soni amadi West Bengal dagi contestant Sashwati Balana hai ngasi LAMDAM ASIGI miyamna aikhoibu taramna opiba asi asuki matik peningai oi LAMDAM ASIGI miko MEEYOK ase tonganba male LAMDAM ASIGI lakpa fangba ase laibak foba male contest asida Sharuk Yagadaba khudingmak mai pakpa amamam oirabani haina phongdorakli.
Oh my God, it feels so good. You guys are so welcoming. You guys are very humble. Before this, I was very excited to be here, and finally I am here. I'm so happy. As you can see, the competition is going to be tough, but everyone is a winner in their own way. We all have that invisible crown in our head. So all the best to all the ladies.
So being in Manipur is extremely, my heart is filled with joy. The amount of love that we have received. Thank you so much, Manipur. It's just been the first day and I'm like overwhelmed. Truly, I was just overwhelmed. The people over here, the crowd over here, they welcomed us with open arms. I'm just so grateful for that. Thank you so much.